One, um, Today I will be going over how to use the Extract by Mask tool under the Spatial Analyst tools. So what I've got here to begin with, I've got a raster data set of the fixed region. Sorry, my computer's a little slow, so that's why I keep clicking on random things. But this is a raster data set of the Great Lakes. And then I've got a vector of the region of the piping plover, of the range of the piping plover. And that's what I have selected right now, along with the state borders. I can actually turn the state borders off because they're not really that important for this. So basically what the Extract by Mask tool is, it's kind of like a clip, but for raster data sets. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Spatial Analyst Tools. You're going to go to Extraction, Extract by Mask. And then here, for your input raster, you're going to put whatever your raster is. You can see that I've already done it, so it's already here. But you put your input raster there. And then for your input raster or feature mask data, this is basically what you want your the raster to be clipped to, which I'm just going to use the word clip because that's what it looks. That's basically what the end product looks like to me. So then that would be the range, which is that one. You just name it whatever you want it to be. I'll rename it so it'll pop up. So name it piping plover mask. And you're just going to run it. Depending on the size of your raster file, it might take a little bit longer. Then I'll actually just stop this since I already have it done. And then your end product will basically look like this. Let me turn this off. Let me zoom in here real fast. Sorry again, my computer is really slow. Accept that. A little bit farther. We'll zoom in on this portion of its range once it loads and renders. Should be able to see that raster that was once the entire region is now just in it to be clipped to. So for this project, I'm actually going to use this to clip the raster, this raster that I just recently found. I'm going to clip this to my buffer ranges, and then from there you can select by some of these values for the certain vegetation type that you'd want, because this is a vegetation raster. So the vegetation I would want would be low vegetation or no vegetation. So I could actually select for that and then simplify it even farther than what you can see right now. So it's not that hard of a tool to use. It's actually pretty simple, but it its purpose gives a lot more insight to what my map will be, and that's what I liked about it. So that is all. Thank you.